Hello everyone. I want to make a short presentation of German Roetest tube tester. As you see here you can see the designer, Helmut Wiegel, and my personalization. First, I use for it stabilized power supply. This is the device. This is the software interface, and beside the device Roetest, we need tube sockets adapters. So we have here 9-pin adapter B9A. Insert him here and push. It's ready. Another socket adapter is 7 pins B7G. Another one is this one for GU50, GU15. Another tube socket adapter is this one, is Y8A and B9D tube socket. This is not yet finished. It has not a base, but it works without a base. 8 pins Loctal. This one is for an old German tube. It's an improvisation, but I could test some tubes with it. This is a usual 8-pin octal tube socket for EL34. This one is a bigger B7A for 6S33S for GU32, and this tube socket is for the miniature tubes. We just insert the pins here and push the top. Easier to. This one I recovered from an L33 tube tester, and I use this top for plate with top, for tubes with tops. Insert in the socket and it's okay. This is with the tube sockets, and this is a calibration box. Not so nice, but works very nice. About it, I will show you in another movie about the calibration of this tube tester. So let's make a short test. I have a tube here, E810F special quality Philips gold pin. Nice tube. First, we go to tube tester. We go to the computer and select from here the tube we need to. E810. We select it, double click on it, and we have here the data for test, data for curves. Give a number here, tube number 1. Insert the tube into the socket. Okay, And you can make a filament test and it show heater okay. Testing for shorts. You can hear the relay which tests each pin related to each another pin for short circuit, and is very sensitive. Is the tube is a little hot, will show short circuit. Push here, static test. We have a soft start. This is the window. From the last update, we can see here a curve with a plate current. As you see, it rises, and here we can see in percent the plate current. Shows 80%. It's a good tube, not wonderful, not 100, but it's okay. Now we set for 80 seconds, but I will not wait 80 seconds. It started faster. Okay, it's just a demonstration. We don't need a very accuracy. A test with very high accuracy. Just a demonstration. We can see here the status of test. Here we see filament voltage, filament current, voltage for plate, current plate, screen voltage, screen current, and first grid voltage. This one is not used, is for G3 when it needs a negative voltage. So the results, can see here 90% plate current. Maybe if we let it to warm up more, this should be higher a little. GM, wow, huge GM, 4547, nominal is 35. The tube has a higher GM than specification. And another measurement important is the vacuum. Grid current show us the state of vacuum. We click here, vacuum. We can see the variation. 0.7 is very good vacuum. And I want to show you some curves. These are for another previous tube, two tubes ESL82. This deviation of curve is from a main supply drop. I have a long line for main supply, and each bigger consumer influence the voltage, may sometime 40 or 50 volts drop. This is for the pentode side, wonderful match, and this is for pentode. Triode and pentode. This was a very short presentation of these tube testers. A wonderful machine, show everything about a tube. Thank you for watching.